Hello Year 5 and 6 and welcome to the first of your cello videos where each week I plan to help you get even better at playing your instrument. So today we're going to revise the notes D up to A. That's open D to open A, placing our fingers on the fingerboard as we go. When you start, make sure that you're sat down on the edge of your seat, sat up nice and straight with the cello neck going over your left shoulder and your legs spread wide apart. We're going to start by playing 5 Ds, 4 crotchets and 1 semi-breve. Remember to make sure that your bow is always staying parallel to the bridge. That's this part here. Anytime I've done something, feel free to pause the video so that you can have a go yourself. But now I'm going to move on to placing my first finger. You should probably have a sticker on your cello, but if you don't worry, because you just need to leave a nice big gap from the start of the fingerboard here. We're going to place the first finger on after we played 4 Ds, and that will give us an E on the D string. Our thumb goes behind our first finger on the back of the fingerboard, and our hand sticks out a little bit, nice and loose. It doesn't grasp the fingerboard tightly. Now next, we're going to play an F sharp. Now on the cello, we use our third finger because the second finger will be too much of a stretch. Again, I'm starting with 4 Ds, then 4 first finger Es, and then 4 third finger F sharps. Once you've got that, you can add your 4th finger on. If this is too much of a stretch for you, feel free to lift your first finger off and rock your fingers forward slightly. But if you can leave all the fingers on, try and do that. You'll notice that there is no gap this time between the 3rd and 4th finger. It's practically touching it. Next we're going to add in the open A. And there you've got all of the notes that you need. Once you've managed to do that, see if you can go down again all the way back to open D. Keep practicing that, and once you get a little bit more confident, maybe you can speed it up. And finally, perhaps you'll be able to go 1 note each time instead of 4. Try and have all your fingers down when you put them back on the D string after playing the open A, and that way you can just lift 1 finger off each time you want to play your next note. And that's all I want you to have a go at this week. Next week we'll be able to put those notes into the context of a piece and we'll see how we get on.